So this table comes with 3 legs, which you can assemble yourself by putting them into the holes and turning them right. It's super easy to do and doesn't take long at all. Because this table is made from all metal, it's really sturdy and goes anywhere in your house. So we just finish it like so, and then you're done. So this table works really well as a side table, as it's the perfect size and really good quality. It's great for displaying plants or for just leaving your coffee on, phone, glasses, whatever you don't need, as it's just very handy to have around. So this modern looking table can also be used as a nightstand in your bedroom, as it's great for displaying photos or leaving your phone whilst you're trying to sleep.